got another package. Let's see what's in it. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So this is a follow-up to the last video where you would have seen that the front coilovers of the JDM Speed coilovers, the strut portion, did not fit on the car due to the mounting threads not passing through the strut tower section. So what I did was I'm still in the process of returning those. So I gotta get those out the car. I took a quick vacation real quick, so now I'm back to it. So what I did was, instead of going with coilovers again, I did lowering springs. So I got these lowering springs off of, as usual, eBay. Here you have it. The name, let's see, where you go? Can't really tell you. I will find a name to it. Either way, I'm going to be linking, AJP distribution. So these are AJP lower springs. So these larger ones look like these are for coils, and then small ones look like they are for the rear. So yes. I'm going to be getting these installed as soon as possible, so that we can get the Jetta down and back on the road, so that I can break in the clutch. That should take me about, I don't know, probably about a month and a half to break the clutch in. But yeah, so there we go. I was thinking about powder coating these to match the rest of the car, but quite honestly, I'm on a little bit of a time crunch to get this car done. So I'm just gonna throw them on as is. And yeah, so these should be good to go. And they look pretty good. They look really nice. So yeah, I'll bring you back. This is a short one. I'll bring you back for the install. Probably not going to show too much of it, other than, maybe just some basic stuff. Probably because I already showed you guys how to dismantle the strut tower body, and then obviously we all know how to change the rear springs on. But we'll see what happens. Maybe some people peeping out the channel for the first time would like to see how to do it. So we'll see. All right, Wrench Daily.